Hi everyone, welcome to my second tutorial on how to install the Docker instance. So in the previous session, we saw how to create the EC2 instance. Now we will be connecting to that EC2 instance to install Docker. So first we have to copy the public IPv4 DNS of the EC2 instance which we have created. We have already downloaded the key pair and we saw how to connect in our previous session. Now we will be connecting to the EC2 server. So now we are inside the EC2 server. Now let me go to my GitHub repository. So here I have added all the commands which I will be using in the README file. So the first step is to connect to the EC2 instance which we have already done. The second is to install Docker. So to install, we will be switching to root user. So as you see, we are connected as root. Now we will copy the commands to install the Docker. First, let's update the instance. So it's currently updated. Now we will copy the command to install Docker. So Docker is also installed. Now we will start the Docker service. So now the Docker service is started. Let's check the status of the Docker service. So as you can see over here, the Docker is actively running as a daemon. So Docker D is a daemon, and this is the container D service that is running over here. Okay. Okay. Now let's check information about Docker. So we use Docker info command to see the information about the Docker that we have installed. So as you can see, we are using server version 20.10 and we are using the file system XFS file system format. And here we will be able to see the number of containers that are available in our instance, which are all running, fast, and in stopped state. Thank you for watching. In the next session, we will be seeing how to create our own Docker image and how we will be able to run the Docker image and clean up those images as well.